Suzuki Motorcycle India is set to ramp up its production to 10 lakh units per annum. The company is off its target currently because of the coronavirus pandemic. Suzuki had planned to enhance the production capacity by up to 1 million units this year. Also, due to the pandemic, the company had temporarily halted production at its plant for 3 weeks from April 28 and resumed production only from May 17, 2021. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic starting from last year, Suzuki's project is slightly delayed. Like all other motorcycle manufacturers, Suzuki too was expecting more progress in these 2 years, but because of COVID-19, the market hasn't grown as expected. Suzuki had earlier planned to enhance production capacity by up to 1 million units this year, but it seems impossible to achieve this number in 2021. In the financial year 2020-2021, Suzuki Motorcycle India's production dropped by over 24% at 6,56,000 units as compared to 7,98,711 units in 2019-2020. The company sold 5,21,474 units of two-wheelers in 2020-2021, witnessing a fall of 23.90% in comparison to 6,85,219 units of two-wheelers sold in 2019-20. The company is now set to ramp up production at its factories in order to make up for the lost time and is expecting to perform better in the coming months. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.